Many individuals have found success selling t-shirt designs on platforms such as Etsy and Amazon. Today, I'm unveiling a unique strategy to uncover high-potential designs with minimal competition. We'll delve into data analysis, pinpointing the top picks based on concrete metrics. Utilizing Midjourney, I'll guide you in creating standout designs and tweaking them for optimal impact. Plus, I'll reveal techniques for crafting distinct and compelling prompts for your creations. For those eager to launch a successful store swiftly, I urge you to watch the entire video without missing any segment. Let's get started. Launching any venture requires diligent market research. Today, our focus will be on identifying designs that are not only trending, but also selling. By targeting designs with proven popularity, we can significantly increase our chances of success. For this task, I will be using Midjourney. To clarify, this video is not endorsed by any company. I am simply recommending this tool based on its effectiveness. When you go to Midjourney, you will need to sign up for a free account. After signing up, your dashboard will have this look. There is also a helpful video tutorial that guides you through maximizing the utility of the tool. I recommend you take a minute to watch it. On the left side, you will see a set of tools designed to uncover and evaluate the best-selling designs. We will start with the product search movers and shakers feature. Movers and shakers indicates a drop in BSR, best sellers rank. A lower BSR is indicative of strong sales. Products with the most significant drop in ranking can be a clue that the design is trending or on the verge of going viral. I can't emphasize enough the importance of taking enough time for a thorough market research. Currently, the platform is displayed daily on a weekly basis. However, you have the flexibility to switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views. To create a design that reflects success, we can make use of another useful tool called Trend Tracker that highlights current design trends in real time. Looking at this particular design, it seems that its sales ranking has remained steady, and it has an impressive 720 estimated sales, a figure that is certainly commendable. Similarly, the next design has also remained stable in the sales rankings, recording around 675 sales over the past month. It is noteworthy that both of these top-performing designs are cat-themed, suggesting that cute cat-themed designs are currently in vogue. We can capitalize on this trend by creating our own cat-related brand. Feel free to explore other designs to expand your insights. Once you have identified your design inspiration, we can move on to the next stage. Given that we are just entering the market, it is crucial to gauge the competition. Overcrowded market segments can make immediate success difficult. To assess the competitive landscape, I will use the competition checker tool. Once in the tool, enter the keyword you are targeting. For this example, I will enter the keyword Hello Kitty Nerd Glasses. The results show a score of A. This is great news for us and represents the top ranking. It is imperative to stay away from keywords that are rated F. Having pinned down our keyword and conceptualized the product design, the next logical step is to bring our design to life. From my vantage point, Midjourney reigns supreme when it comes to design creation. There are many AI-driven design tools available, such as Leonardo AI, TensorArt, and Ideogram. While the fact that Midjourney is currently exclusive to paid users has led many to seek out alternative tools, today I'm going to showcase its capabilities. Once you're on the Midjourney platform, provide a short but detailed prompt describing your envisioned design. If making prompts is not your specialty, feel free to use mine as a starting point or inspiration. I've left it in the description for you. Midjourney has produced 4 delightful cartoon cat pictures. When you take a look, it's clear that the quality is top-notch. Personally, all images are good for me. Next, to ensure the images are the highest quality, click on the U button to upscale them. I'm going to upscale all the variants to ensure they're at their best resolution. Once that's done, simply download the designs to your device. Our primary design stage is now complete. For those final refinements, I'll be using Canva. Before we advance further, let me share with you a game changer, a technique for generating an endless stream of prompts tailored for Midjourney designs. To craft these top-notch prompts, I turn to the Generate T-shirt Design Midjourney Prompts APRM for ChatGPT extension. If you're unfamiliar with how to integrate this extension, I've crafted a video tutorial detailing its installation. As a bonus, you might even stumble upon a fresh business idea within. For ease of access, I'll include the link in the video description below. Once you successfully install the extension, head to the search bar and type in Midjourney. From the search results, choose Creative T-shirt Printing Designs Templates. With the template selected, you simply need to input your design concept into the provided prompt box. ChatGPT will then craft 2 innovative prompts tailored for your design idea. Choose the one that resonates with you the most and transition back to Midjourney. Input the ChatGPT-generated prompt and observe the magic as Midjourney transforms the concept into a visual masterpiece. The outcome is undeniably stunning, don't you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. Now, for comparison's sake, let's put Leonardo AI to the test using the same prompt. Well, the results are quite disappointing, reinforcing my earlier assertion that Midjourney truly is the superior choice for design needs. With that said, it's time to transition to the next phase. However, before we proceed, if you found value in this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button and share it among your circles. Your support goes a long way in fueling my passion to produce more content. A huge thanks for your continued encouragement. Having saved the designs for Midjourney onto our device, the next step involves customizing them using Canva to add a touch of personal flair. After logging into Canva, start a new custom design. For this demonstration, I'll set the dimensions to 1080 x 1080 pixels. Next, proceed to upload the designs you prepared in the Midjourney. Drag one of the designs to your canvas, select Edit, and then remove Background to get a transparent background. This facilitates integration with various design backgrounds. Now, enrich your design by adding relevant text or additional elements. The essence here is to refine and adjust until the design really pops. Don't hesitate to spend time on this. And that's it. Our design is ready. Always opt for PNG format for the best quality and make sure the background remains transparent. An important reminder, make sure they are properly scaled to fit t-shirt sizes seamlessly before displaying them on leading print-on-demand platforms like Amazon, Teespring, Etsy, and more. Let me show you how to do this. Upscale is a very important step, and fortunately, there are free AI tools available to help with this task. The link to the upgrade tool I recommend is available in the pinned comment for easy access. All you need to do is sign in using a GitHub account. Once logged in, drag and drop your design file or click to select and install. Once you have successfully uploaded it, scroll down to the bottom to set the size of the boost. I recommend a setting of 4, although the tool allows increases of up to 10 times. After configuring everything, click Submit. The difference between the original and upscale design is obvious. Can you see the difference? It's really incredible. Now that we've taken care of that, you're all set. Alright mates, it's time to end this video journey. Before we finish, I'm really looking forward to hearing about your adventures in the field of AI-driven t-shirt design. Please take a moment to share your experiences, insights, and conclusions in the comments. If you got some value out of this video, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to stay updated with more enlightening trainings like today's. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you lots of creativity.